Desview T3. So let me go ahead and open this up real quick. And what makes this one a lot different than your traditional like Glide teleprompter, you can just hang it on your lens and not have to put your camera in the back under some hood to be able to use it, which makes it a lot more bulky. Most of my videos are shot at my computer, so I wanted something that I could be able to easily put on my DSLR, my Sony a6300, and then if I need to not use it, I can just easily take it off and actually use it. So this is it right here. I think I got everything out of the box, and it's pretty straightforward. Right here, you have the remote that it comes with. So this controls the scrolling and everything either on your iPad or your phone. And there's an app that goes with it. Let's get this out of there. So this will be really convenient for controlling the speed and changing different functions or whatever while you actually doing the video, while it's out of sight, out of mind. And this is going to be a treat. So I have this right here. You have the actual teleprompter here, which, come on, let's see how this works. It says pull. Come on. Oh, actually pull. Okay. So I was actually making it a little more complicated than it needed to be. So here it is. You see the reflection here. So basically it's going to go on your lens cap, and I'm going to take this part off, and I'm sure they have different sizes for what I need to be able to put my camera right back here. So it displays through here, and then I can see it here, and all the words are going to reflect from whatever device that I choose to use here up onto here. So that's how I'm going to be able to read off of it while I'm looking into the camera here. So that's going to be really convenient. And I can only imagine that this is like the cover. So you definitely want to keep this screen here or glass clean. And you want to check it every time you actually ready to do video. Make sure there are no smudges or things like that. But it shouldn't show up because of the focal length of where you're trying to focus. It's probably not going to show up, but you know, you want to keep yourself good and nice and clean when you're doing video. So here we go. We're going into this box here, and here, this is what we are talking about. So we got different types of lenses. So whatever you're choosing, whatever you got working with, it looks like they have a size for it. So I'm going to put this aside. Not exactly sure what these are, but I'm sure it's in the manual. So it looks like they have a few of these, so it must be important. This is for, you know, if you want to use an iPad or if you want to use the phone. This is what is going to connect onto that. And let's see what else we got. We have a cleaner for cleaning that screen like I was telling you about. And this looks like, oh, this is a phone holder. So if you want to be able to use that teleprompter to be able to use for your phone, you can do that. You can just put it on there. So this mounts onto the teleprompter in the back, and you can use your phone. So if you're live streaming, because at first I was like, you know, why would I use my phone if I have my DSLR, which would have much better resolution and give me that bokeh that I'm looking for, that, you know, focuses on the subject and blurs everything else out. But if you're doing live stream, you like, especially with Instagram for right now anyway, you can't live stream from your DSLR. You still have to use your phone unless you've been invited to their beta program. And I can only imagine that, you know, who knows, in the year's time, 6 months or whatever, that everyone will be invited to be able to utilize that. But for right now, you're not going to be able to use that. So you would just use your phone and do your live that way. And also, I want to say TikTok as well, but you have to be invited to use their beta until they release it for everyone. So this is what that is for. And also it comes with this manual. Let's see. Yeah, just kind of get some instructions on what to do. The manual isn't in English, so, you know, hopefully you can be able to fill in the gaps, because I'm sure it comes straight from China. Let me see. Okay, just flip it over. Oh, my bad. It is in English. So, basically, it tells you about the teleprompter, the remote, and how to download the app to be able to use with that, because it has its own software. I use Desview. Desview is a software that I use for my phone when I do anything that I want to make sure that I'm saying it right on my phone. But this has its own software to be able to utilize it. So yeah, that's it. So pretty much all I will have to do, depending on the kind of lens I'm using, put this on my lens, and then I should be able to just, it goes right in here to hold onto it. So it's based on weight. And then all I would do is, depending on the actual type of device, it goes down here, and then it's gonna show what's down here, up here, and then I'm still gonna be looking in the camera, and I'm good to go. So if you have any questions, I'm very sure that I'm going to do a video just showing how it works. For right now, I got other content I need to be creating, but there are other videos that people have done that show you how to use this particular teleprompter. And again, this teleprompter here, the T3, is especially made for wide angle lenses. I know there's a T2, and I'm pretty sure it's a little bit wider. I'm not sure how wide it goes. I think it goes to 24, but this one definitely will go to 16. So if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, have any other insight on this particular teleprompter, or you know of a different teleprompter that will work similarly the same way, let me know in the comments. And also make sure you come back, tell a friend, bring 2 friends. I look forward to the next video, and see you soon.